5 signals. Our bodies give us 5 basic signals for what it needs for survival. The signals are water, sugar, fat, protein, and salt. We crave these 5 elements in our diet, and they must be satisfied in the correct balance or we get sick and die. After we have balanced our body ecology to create a symbiotic balance, which will be the correct ratio of 85% to 15% of aerobic bacteria to anaerobic bacteria, our bodies will crave real foods to satisfy the body signals. We will maintain balanced body ecology by consuming the correct balance of these 5 elements. Before pursuing the symbiotic lifestyle, most of us had, and maybe still have, certain food addictions. Because our body ecology was way out of balance, we craved and were addicted to things that, even though they satisfied the signals, were bad choices. I think you would agree there is a better way to satisfy the sugar, fat, and salt signal than potato chips and soda. Or how about pizza to satisfy all 5 signals? Most food addictions are rooted in sugar, fat, salt, protein, and liquids. These are the 5 signals that the body needs to survive, but our signals have been tainted because of our bad body ecology. Look at all the food you crave, from ice cream to candy to potato chips to fried chicken to a huge list of processed cooked choices. Do you want to eat nutrients or toxins? As your body ecology changes, your choices will change naturally and automatically. Let's look at the different signals. Water. Most of our water should come from the fruits and vegetables that we eat. It's the purest of all waters because of the purification process it goes through to get into the plant. It is highly alkaline and structured and is by far the best transport system for nutrients in the food. Sugar. The sugar in fruit is highly digestible, and because of the fiber in the fruit, is absorbed at the perfect rate into the blood. On the other hand, high fructose corn syrup is highly addicting, and since it is not satisfying, you always want more. Raw honey, wild honey, is also acceptable. Fat. Avocados and coconut oil are 2 excellent sources of fat, along with the oil in nuts and seeds. Any kind of processed oil, even good olive oil, and especially hydrogenated trans fat oil, is very hard on the system and is best left in the bottle at the store. You don't need it. It's wasted calories with no nutrients. However, oils found in nuts and seeds are part of a whole food, and the body will recognize it as a whole food and be able to digest it and utilize all the good oils, especially the omega-3 oils. Protein. A symbiotic raw foodist gets their amino acids from the same place that animals get theirs, from plants. Fruits and vegetables supply enough amino acids for our human body to flourish with. We don't need animal protein to survive. Science has proven, and the medical industry is now starting to admit, that animal protein is detrimental to your health. The meat and dairy industries have led us to believe that their products are good for us, and nothing could be further from the truth. Salt. Our bodies require some salt, and the closer to natural the better, like the sodium in celery. Also, pure sea salt has over 90 trace minerals that satisfy the requirements of life. Once our intestinal flora is symbiotically balanced, our bodies will once again give the proper signal, and we can respond appropriately with the right choices. Health and vitality are only 5 signals away. Symbiotic intuition will give you the ears to hear the signal. Listen carefully.